Hold on.
Okay guys, back at it again. Part 3 of this video. As you see, everything hooked up here guys. I already give it a little bench test. But I have for you guys to know, and I want to teach you guys something really valuable right here. This is where I talk about fake MOSFET. No matter you look original and stuff like that, it can be, but this MOSFET can be used in some other amplifier. But well, let me get to the point. After this amplifier, I noticed, because you know, after doing this for a while, you know when something is not right. I was saying the driver chip, and I said no, couldn't be. There's no feedback on my power supply, nothing like that. Everything seems normal. Only problem was the chip was getting hot. So I was like, something is not right. So I removed those that I got from the company yesterday, I told you guys, and put some in that I had before that I got from another company that I buy the original stuff from. Well, this company is the first I'm trying them, and from the first I should have known, because I got some really weird stuff. Let me show you what happened, guys. And I don't know how can you have these MOSFETs and then you have two batch of the same, but it had the same number. But so I was like, something is not right. But I'm not gonna publish them. I'll tell you guys which one it is, but I'm gonna get to them first and see what they say about it. And if they don't want to refund nothing, or you know, acting like an idiot, I'll move on from there and expose them, because I don't know why they send me these MOSFET that's mixed. They send me mixed, but even though on the front it says the batch number is it seems to be down at the bottom, it says YFNB, but you guys are not stupid, and neither am I. Look at these two MOSFET. See that? See this one has a little dot, black dot, you know, crossing right there, the take away sign. Alright, or minus. Look at the front here now. You see that? This one has the little round thing in the middle. This one doesn't. Even though I was using, let me see, this one with the little round right there, this with the little dot right here. Yeah, and it was overheating. And after doing this, I noticed, like, so if you see a batch like this, guys, you buy it, you know, just look out from any company and you get that batch. Yeah. So after doing this for a while, let me put this one that was overheating in the same bag. I noticed here, you know, it has to be the MOSFET when I do the calculation and say, you know, that's why I said I'm gonna replace the MOSFET first before I do the driver chip, just to make sure, you understand? And yeah, sometimes, you know, it's a good thing it happened this way. I'm not disappointed, you know. I'm really glad everything happened to work out this way, so I can know, you know. And just yesterday I was watching a video with Eber and Todd, and I saw he was talking about some batch of 35 that you get bad, you know, in 3205, and I was like, okay, yeah, I got those before. I mean, I got stuff like that, not 3205 in general, but I got bad MOSFET like that before. But and then look at me repairing amplifier today and happened to get a batch of bad MOSFET, and I picked them up yesterday, Friday. I was like, wow, look at that. So guys, as you can see, the amplifier is on. As you can see, it's warm, as you say, cold like puppy nose. And guys, just to tell you, man, yeah, see? Bunch. For those who can read Chinese, they don't know this company, but I can't. I only know, yeah, I know a few words, but not, you know, enough to make a sentence. Yep, guys, see, batch, this is 60 of them, so I'm gonna get to them right now, because you know it's night over there. Is like, this looks like 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. It's like 3 minutes to 2. So what is like 3 minutes to 2 in the night, in the AM. So yeah, I have to get to them later on tonight. So guys, that's it for this repair. I couldn't believe it, but I figured out from beginning, say, yeah, I'm gonna just replace the MOSFET, and you know, you guys can see poor light is still on. I'm gonna just replace the MOSFET them and try another batch, and lo and behold, everything is okay. Just telling you guys, yeah, you have to be lookout for this company. And this company that I get this one, oh man, I'm using the phone. It's the I'm gonna put out a video I have some MOSFET that I buy from different company, and I'm gonna show you the company that I buy them from on AliExpress and stuff like that. They sell good stuff, and if they sell a bad MOSFET, they'll replace them. They're good. But this one was the first time I'm trying this company, and yeah, it wasn't that good. But these MOSFET, sometimes I get them like this, they work in other amplifier real comfortable, but not in this, you know, because the resistance is really different than the MOSFET, the reading. And I noticed that just now, and I was like, okay, now I see what's going on. And wow, that's it for this, guys. So let me give you guys a little bench test, and then I'll move on to another amplifier. Hoping I can make another video. Alright, let's see here. Very cool. Okay, guys. That's it for this one. Okay. Let's not get carried away now. Alright guys, let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something, guys. Let's switch this off. Trust not your electronic parts or thy MOSFET. Trust not thy MOSFET. These things go bad. You get bad bats. Not because it's new, you believe, you know. Some people, oh, it's good. Something wrong with the amplifier. No way. Don't blame the amplifier. Blame the parts a lot of time, you know. Because, let me tell you something. This amplifier, I could have just take it, send it to the customers and say, okay, just see the power light come out of clip and send it. If I was moving too fast, if I wasn't checking like the old-fashioned way I call it, with my hands, and if the part is running cool and everything. That's how I do it back in the days, you know, and on the circuit board and stuff. If I wasn't doing that, I would not figure out that the amplifier was doing that, because it didn't go into protection, it didn't do anything, you know, and stuff like that. And guys, just to tell you, man, like, you know, you have to do this thing for a while, years to really figure out something like that. Sometimes it's not that hard, because, you know, I'm passing the information to you guys so you guys know what to look for. Like, you put in a MOSFET, a batch of MOSFET, and you know, amplifier is overheating, so you know, like, you know, what could go wrong, what could be the issue. Sometimes don't run and jump to another component in the circuit board, you know. Worse when you get a new batch of parts. Yeah, I just get it, and I was testing it in this amplifier just to see if it works. These bands, it didn't. Wow. Amplifier was running perfectly, lights on, the clip light is off, and I told it the amplifier was playing. After I stopped the video, guys, the amplifier plays, but the parts was getting really hot, and I was like, you know, I could have sent it to the customer with that issue, and you know, I'm just glad that he didn't get that far, you know, and stuff like that. Because the worst thing, as Eberg was talking about, is to get back, you know, that repair job that you already did. So guys, that's it for this video, guys. CNC Electronics, we both learned something. Well, I just refreshed my brain on, you know, what could really go wrong. I shouldn't be trusting these parts like that. So for me, it's like something I know a long time ago. So that's why I made that first step of replacing, put a different batch of parts in it before, you know, different batch of MOSFET before I replace the driver ICs. Because I was going to, and then I said no, something fishy is going on. So guys, that's it for now, and CNC Electronics out. It's repair. I have one more repair coming up, so if I can make a video of it, guys, I'll let you know. So that's a learning, well, a quick, or well, not that quick learning process of bad MOSFET and what really could go wrong. So I'm gonna get to them right now, so they see the message when they wake up in the morning. Well, it should be Sunday. I don't think they're gonna check it until the morning, but definitely I have to report it. Like, yeah, that's not good for me. So alright, guys, thank you for your many blessings. Thank you for blessing me. I say your many blessings, as I was saying, going to say, yeah, thank you for your many blessings. You know, watching my videos and blessing my channel like that. Who subscribe, who don't subscribe, maybe one day they will, you never know, you know. So I know a lot of people watch but they don't subscribe, but that's how it goes. I'm just sharing information. I don't care who subscribe or who don't. I just like to share information, because sometimes I look up information I can't find any. I have to, you know, go back on to the drawing board. Or sometimes I get a lot of information from other people like Todd and Son. Sometimes, you know, guys like that have a lot of stuff to teach you guys, so you guys should go ahead and watch your videos. You know, I'm not the selfish type who you know, act like I never learned anything from anybody else, or you know, I'm not that selfish. No, I never was, and I never will be like that. I learned a lot from those guys, on top of what I know before. So you know, that's, you know, so that means as we would say in Jamaica, fully loaded. Fully loaded. Yep. So guys, thank you guys for watching my videos again, I say. And guys, you should go watch the dyno test on this little thing. And BizNizz, even Sundown did a one. BizNizz did one that he did do 1600 and something, but it was over 1600, 1630 something. And I see that guy from Down for Sundown. I'm talking now, Sundown. Yeah, did one, and he get 1500 watts out of it, and I was like, oh my words. Yes, this little thing you see right here, this little thing my hand fit like, look at that. And my arms, you see I don't have big hands, so you must know. Yeah, so the series is there, SFB 100, that's 1000D guys. And that's it for this repair, and thank you guys for watching my videos. Ask me any question you want to ask me on this whenever you guys ready, and thank you again. See you electronics out.
Hold on.